Hey everyone. So today, let's see. We are going to go through an overview of our work for this week. Some of you I've already seen in class, and some of you I'll see tomorrow. So let's have a look at what we're doing for the week. Basically, we're going to keep working on the My City narrative essay. You've already turned in a bunch of stuff, which I'm working on grading. This is all from last week, and so this week we're keeping working on the My City narrative. The main thing that we're working towards is the My City narrative drafts discussion. But in preparation for that, we're going to do a couple things. First, make sure you read They Say, I Say, chapters 1 and 2, and then do exercise 1 on pages 28 and 29. The thing there is that it'll acquaint you with something's not quite right. Sorry there, just having a little technical difficulties, but I guess that's okay. So what we're going to work on, so exercise 28 and 29 is going to acquaint you with the They Say, I Say philosophy, which is basically, you're trying to figure out what your sources are saying before going ahead and saying what you have to say. It's kind of like listening to a conversation that's going on before saying something yourself, which is kind of polite, right? And that is due on Thursday, 5 September. And also read the articles Stuck in Traffic and The Loneliness Problem in LA. Both of those are available in modules week 2. The Stuck in Traffic one is just kind of an outline of why we have all the problems with traffic in Los Angeles, and it offers a very weak solution at the end. I think the article more or less says, suck it up, we have traffic. And the loneliness problem in LA has an interesting solution. It looks at how we have all these stories of people who are lonely as a result of their commutes. We're not around other people, or we are around other people, but we're around other people in enclosed cars for long periods of time. And we're not as fit because we don't walk around as much as people in places where public transit is more common. And the solution that this article reports on is that there is now a business called People Walker, where you can, it's an app, and you can make appointments to walk with another person. So you get a bit of walking in and some social interaction. Is it a good solution? I don't know, but it's certainly an interesting one. And participate in the Traffic in Los Angeles or Traffic in LA discussion. Your initial post there is due on Thursday, and 2 replies are due on Sunday. Now, the big thing to work towards is the My City narrative draft. So you'll need to post your draft there by this Thursday and reply and evaluate 2 other student drafts by Sunday. In replying to and evaluating other student drafts, there are a set of 5 questions that you'll need to answer, and there we are. In moving, we talked about the drafting in this week's lab session, and moving from the map of My City assignment to the actual draft. A big thing that you might think about in getting started moving towards an idea for your narrative essay could be just, what do you think of your city? Do you like your city? Do you not like your city? Does your city feel crowded? Does your city feel like a place to make a lot of friends? Does it feel like a place that's really good for your family, or not? I don't know. And once you think of what you want to say about your city, try to think how you can convey that idea through a story that engages 3 or more of your the points from your My City map. Do make sure that you read the Pocket Manual, pages 22 to 32. It covers some of the most common grammar issues like verb agreement and verb tense. And this is super important. This is one of the most common grammar errors that I see. be careful in your draft. A lot of students write in the present tense, like as if the thing were happening right now, but try to remember to write your work in the past tense, because it would be pretty hard to tell a story that is actually happening now, because you'd have to actually be in the story. And it'd have to be happening now. And it'd be a story about writing an essay, which could be an interesting essay, but that would not be the one that was assigned. So that's all I have. I'll see you guys tomorrow if you're in section 4035. And as always, if you have any questions, let me know with an inbox message. Or you can always come to my office hours. I may not be in my office hours on Thursday, but I certainly will be today, Wednesday. And there we go. All right. Take care, and I hope to talk to you soon.